You ready?
Yeah.
You're blushing, Kathy.
Okay, and big smile.
Kathy Reagan. I will always remember. The game against Fairfield. That one final kick. State champion senior year.
Hunter McCaffrey. I will always remember all the great times with the Dirty Dozen and mackin' all the honeys. Cindy K, Tina B, Michelle H. God damn, just too many to remember.
Yeah! I'll always remember lacrosse champions. All the glory days with the boys.
I will always remember the math club madmen. Making the perfect fake IDs, which lasted 6 seconds.
Troy Cochran.
Troy Cochran. Troy gives good head.
Fuck you! I'll always remember the senior prank.
Matthew Kidman. I will always remember